Hi everyone! Welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. It has been raining over here these few days. So, to cheer everyone up, I will be cooking a delicious, rich, creamy soup filled with seafood and veggies. There is something so belly warming about this bowl of creamy potato seafood soup. Come along with me to see how this soup is prepared. So first we are going to cut our yellow onions, 200 grams of it, into half cm squares. So the recipe here is for 10 servings. For those who want smaller number of servings, I have given the amount in the description box for 5 people as well. So cut this into half cm cubes like that, and then put it aside. So we also need to cut our carrots. There are about 800 grams of carrots over here to about, I would say, 1 cm cubes like that. Okay, put this aside. So the next ingredient will be our Holland potatoes. There are 2 kg of them. Cut it into about 1 inch cubes. So I soak it in water to prevent it from browning. And then I have celery, and I'm going to cut it to about 1 cm cube, small cubes like that. Okay, so there you go. So all our 4 ingredients are ready, namely celery, potatoes, carrots, and onions. So now let's cook. So we need to heat up half tablespoon of oil. So once it's hot, pour in our bacon bits. So this bacon bits come all cut like that from the supermarket, so you don't have to cut it. So the plan is to stir fry it over medium-low heat until it is aromatic, it turns golden brown, and it becomes crispy. Okay, so when it reaches this stage, so we can take it out and then put it aside. So you can hear the sound, the spitting sound, then you know that it is ready. So here we go. So this is our crispy bacon bits, which we are going to use as topping later on. So into the same pan, put in our onions. Stir fry it for about 2 minutes until it is semi-translucent. Then pour in our carrots, celery, and potatoes. So mix everything well. So when they are all mixed up, then we can pour in 1 liter of chicken broth, followed by 1 liter of water. Then stir it. So we are going to cook it for about 30 minutes until all these ingredients are almost cooked. So 30 minutes later, it looks something like this. So let's put in our scallops. These are boiled scallops. I bought it frozen from the supermarket. You can put any seafood of your choice. Yep, I put 1 kg of it in. So then boil it for about 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later, it looks something like this. So we are going to add our seasonings, which comprises of Worcestershire sauce, Italian spices, pepper, and salt. Okay, so now we can add in our cream. 1 liter of full cream milk and 200 milliliters of cooking cream. Give it a good stir and bring it to boil. So once it's about to boil, we are going to add the cornstarch slurry, which is added to thicken the soup, creating a more viscous texture, thus giving the soup more body. So once it comes to a boil, our soup is practically ready. This seafood soup can be prepared at home any day of the week. It takes only slightly more than half an hour. Creamy seafood potato soup is one of my favorite ways to enjoy a bowl of comfort food. Top it with crispy bacon. It is so delicious. You can enjoy it on its own or with a piping hot bowl of rice. As for our family, we love to pour the soup over the noodles, and then we're going to top it with some cut chilies dipped in soya sauce. Do to give this recipe a try. As always, happy cooking!